Hey, it's Mike. I'm not an investing guru. I'm an average guy sharing my investment journey on the internet. Today, we're going to talk about the different holdings and companies I am purchasing today after Fitch downgrades the United States long-term ratings to AAA plus from AAA rating. A quick comment on this is I agree with what Fitch is saying. What they're saying is the government is irresponsible with the debt compared to the GDP, and that they don't deserve a AAA rating, which I absolutely agree with. Now, that's not going to change what I'm going to be purchasing today. So today, well, actually, let's talk about one thing. I have $320,000 in my portfolio. I'm predominantly a stock investor. I don't own any real estate besides the condo I live in, which is not an investment. We are going to be talking about the purchases or stocks I'm going to buy in this account right here in this individual stocks. So this account is in the Robinhood account. Has about $202,000 here. And the three things that I'm going to be purchasing. The first thing is I'm going to be buying Tesla. A couple comments on why I want to be purchasing Tesla. They've been increasing the revenue almost 50% year over year with a 10-year increase of 69%. That is insane. Same thing with their EBITDA. Same thing with the free cash flows. Their free cash flows have been increasing in hundreds of percents. This is insane, this type of growth. On top of that, with growing their revenue, they have absolutely zero debt and $22 billion in cash. You cannot go bankrupt if you have no debt. It's impossible. A couple things I don't like. Shares outstanding. They've been diluting for up until 2019, and after 2019, they have tapered off. And I do believe in the future, at some point, they will probably pay out a dividend. And I do believe with this excess cash, after they have decided every possible outlet to utilize that money as effectively as possible, I think they will repurchase shares. So currently, the PE is at 82, with the forward PE of being 28. A company that is increasing 50% revenue year over year with a PE of 28 is insane and is absolutely undervalued. And some people are going to speak that the valuation is insane. When 5 years, 10 years goes by and they're still increasing 50% year over year, we're all going to wish that we could have bought more. So buying Tesla. And the second thing I'm going to be buying, so Tesla's the first. The next thing I'm buying is I've been going down the rabbit hole of this trend called income investing. And I found these yield max funds, and I want to build a small position with these. And the last thing I'm going to be purchasing is I'm going to be buying some insurance. The stock market has been absolutely going on a tear, and we're clearly almost at all-time highs. This is insane, and I believe we perhaps might be in a dead cat bounce. We've had two in the last year. We had one here. Oh, look at this. The stock market's recover. The economy is great, and boom, down. Same thing happened here. So I believe there might be another scenario where that happens as well. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be buying a put option. So I'm going to buy a put option on Tesla here. So let's go ahead and start purchasing some shares. So I put $1,000 in yesterday, and I'm going to be buying one share of Tesla. So one share of Tesla, $254. We're going to review it. Yes, and buy. All right, Tesla purchase, done. Okay, got the notification on my phone. Now, let's go into purchasing some of these income funds. So I have this income investing list here. So first one, we said FBY. We're going to do 4 shares of this. All right, so 4 shares of, so we got one Tesla in, 4 shares of FBY. Now we're going to go to GOO. We're going to buy 4 of these. And this is all going to add up to about $1,000. All right, purchase done. Next, so let's mark that off the list. Now the Amazon covered call one, or this one is on the list too. So as of all, we're doing 4. Purchase, great. We're going to do this one, 4 of this one. So these are all the yield max funds, and what these are is they're selling covered calls. So this one's going to sell it on Amazon. The other one was Google. The other one was Facebook. And then there's this other one that I got is a volatility one right here. So again, I'm not going to talk too much details about it, but very interesting products that are out now. NVIDIA 4. I love it when it goes through them. So then now we just need Appley and JetB. So 2 more. So JetB, we're going to do 2 shares. And again, my goal here is to make about a $5,000 position between, the Tesla, the FBY, the GOO, the AMZ, the SVOL, NVIDIA, Appley, and JetB. So I want to be building like a small position like that. I don't want to make it too big. Where is Appley? Oh, there's. All right, so it looks like we have bought all the ones that we need. And then, so now let's take a look at this put option here. And it looks like Tesla's going on a tear right now. I'm still going to buy the insurance though. So we're going to buy a put, and let's do September 8th. So about a month and some change, and it perhaps could go down 170. That would be a huge drop, but I think 200 would be a pretty reasonable. Let's do 190. $63 still fits us in. $1 limit price review. There we go. It's filled. Okay, sweet. Everything is done. That's it. All the stock trades are in. Insurance is done. Thank you all for watching the video. And if y'all have any questions, definitely let me know. But yeah, got some Tesla. Started these income investing plays. Again, don't want to be doing too much. And that's it. So thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.